Jeff at Family Law Decisions, Mackenzie Friends and Paralegals. Why are non-molestation order applications rejected? The court may reject a non-molestation order application because it's not been filled out to the correct standard. And that could be that items are missing, or in the form, or the witness statement is not sufficiently strong enough to provide a reason why the court should make a non-molestation order. Once you get to court and you're in front of the judge, and let's say this is an emergency, urgent, without notice hearing, so that means that the other party is not involved at the hearing, then the judge is going to listen to your argument again in brief, ask you questions, and also will have read the documentation that you provided. And then if the judge is sufficiently persuaded that there needs to be a non-molestation order, then the judge could very well make a non-molestation order there and then. Once you get to court, with the help of the judge, it may be agreed that a non-molestation order is not really necessary. The court could then make an undertaking, or ask one of the other party to make an undertaking, which is a formal promise to the court not to do something in the future. Or there could be cross undertakings if the other party is making allegations. So cross undertakings is when both parties will do a promise to the court, which is called an undertaking. If one party makes a non-molestation order application, on receipt of that non-molestation order application, perhaps the other party will say, well, actually, I want a non-molestation order. This is not a usual response to a non-molestation order that's been received, but it can happen. And so when it gets to court, the court may look at this and decide that there should be non-molestation orders for both parties, and that would be called a cross non-molestation order. If the matter goes to a final hearing, which is a contested hearing, where both parties will be asked to provide oral evidence, so they'll be sworn in and give oral evidence to the court, as well as their evidence that's in their statements. They'll be cross-examined on their statements as well. The court will then, at the end of this process, make a determination on what they believe happened. These determinations are put in a judgment where the judge will make findings on the allegations that are before him or her.